My name's Sterritt. I'm a woodworker. I've been working with wood for over 10 years. Well, I make handmade furniture. On this weekend stool making course, we'll make a small handmade stool using traditional green woodworking techniques. Green woodworking is when we use freshly felled wood rather than seasoned wood, which has been dried. Green wood is nice and fresh, it's still got the sap in it, and it's much easier to use and work with. Anybody can do it. Working in the green wood way, you're focusing on what you're doing with the tool. It's quite repetitive, but in an enjoyable way. People sort of get into a rhythm. It's very easy to get lost in the moment. This course is ideal for anybody who's looking for a relaxing weekend outside, in nature, away from the daily stresses of ordinary life, I guess. You don't need any previous woodworking experience at all.